Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the daylight hours of Saturday doesn't look stormy, but that will change come Saturday evening and especially later Saturday night. That's the height of the rain and the wind. In the meantime, clouds are on the increase. We're cool, we're dry, not seeing any precipitation in Newport. Good visibility, temps cooling off into the mid and upper 40s, or even colder. Taunton, New Bedford, and the Vineyard down in the lower 40s right now. So where the clouds are thicker in nearby Connecticut, that helps to keep the temperature up a little bit, but it's a lot colder in southeastern Massachusetts, where some outlying areas may actually get down into the upper 30s. So tracking dry, chilly weather for tonight. Of course, the weekend rain we've been talking about all week. Coastal storm, the heaviest Saturday evening, Saturday night. Wet weather continues on Mother's Day Sunday, though the rain is not as heavy. Finally, and well-deserved, we start to see signs of a big change in the weather pattern by the middle of next week. We'll show you that in the 7-day Futurecast. As far as what we're tracking in impacts this weekend, potential for some street flooding, just for the simple fact that we'll have very heavy rain during the Saturday night time frame, anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain possible during that time period, so some localized street flooding is possible. Slight chance of a thunderstorm. Wind gusts are somewhat strong, mainly confined to the coastline, maybe up to around 40, even 45 miles per hour. But again, that would be confined to the immediate shore. You see the deck of clouds that are on the increase, the leading edge of the precipitation south of New York City. You can see this expansive area of rain with a developing area of low pressure. There's actually two. This is one that'll give way to the second one forming near the Carolina coast, and this will track north and east, arriving here with the heaviest of the rain tomorrow night and through early on Sunday morning. Let's take a look at Futurecast. We'll start off this evening. You see that shield of rain working up the coastline. There's our storm system. 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. The rain is still off to our west, so we're cloudy but essentially dry. Outside of a sprinkle tomorrow morning, really not much in the way of rain. As the storm advances to the north during the afternoon around 2 o'clock, still the heaviest of the rain, denoted in yellow, is south of New York City. Wouldn't rule out a couple of showers tomorrow afternoon, but the steady shield of rain waiting until around sunset, and thereafter bands of heavy rain in Long Island, New York, increasing wind as the storm draws closer. Getting real close, we'll take a look at rainfall amounts, which will come in. Well, beginning tomorrow evening at 5 o'clock through early Sunday morning, you're talking about amounts anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain. So that's why localized street flooding is possible. And some pretty strong winds Saturday night confined to the south coast. This area in purple, anywhere from 35 to 45 mile per hour wind gusts. Futurecast for tomorrow morning is initially dry, especially early on at 49. And then tomorrow afternoon, no heavy rain tomorrow afternoon, other than some light rain showers. Temperatures topping out in the upper 50s, and it really starts to come down tomorrow night. Now Sunday, or Mother's Day Sunday, is raw, chilly, and damp. The intensity of the rain easing up to just light rain showers, but remaining cloudy, very cool, and windy all day long. Daytime highs struggle to get out of the mid-50s. Scattered showers, windy, unsettled from Monday. Finally, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the change in the pattern to warmer weather and some sunshine as temperatures warm through the 70s to eventually near 80 on Thursday. Kind of a tough weekend. Tough travel tomorrow night with some of those downpours, so be careful.
All right. Thank you, Tony.